Join me as I dive into the experience of the rapture and see if I can truly capture what it feels like to be part of it. The concept of the rapture is often misunderstood, but it's a fascinating and powerful topic that holds great significance in Christian eschatology. In 1 Thessalonians 4:17, we're given a glimpse into the incredible event where believers will be caught up in the air to meet the Lord Jesus Christ, forever changing the course of human history. There are so many misconceptions surrounding the rapture, and I think it's essential to clear the air. Some people think it's just a fantastical notion, a myth created to scare people into behaving. Others believe it's a physical phenomenon that can be scientifically explained. But the truth is, the rapture is a supernatural event, a majestic display of God's power and authority. One common misconception is that the rapture and the second coming are the same thing. While they're related, they're two distinct events. The rapture is when believers are snatched away to be with Christ, whereas the second coming is when Christ returns to earth to establish his kingdom. Another misconception is that the rapture is only for a select few, the good Christians who have earned their ticket to heaven. But the Bible is clear, the rapture is for all believers, regardless of their walk or their past. It's a testament to God's redemption and love for his people. The rapture is often seen as a scary or intimidating concept, but it's actually a beautiful promise for believers. It's a reminder that our time on this earth is short, and that our true citizenship is in heaven. The Bible is filled with stories of people who have had profound experiences related to the rapture. From the martyrs of the early church to modern-day believers who have witnessed incredible miracles, these testimonies serve as a reminder of the rapture's significance. One powerful example is the story of Corrie ten Boom, a Dutch Christian who survived the Holocaust and witnessed the rapture-like experience of her sister, Betsy, as she passed away in a concentration camp. As we delve deeper into the biblical interpretations of the rapture, we begin to see just how connected it is to our daily lives as believers. The rapture is not just an event, it's a mindset, a way of living that acknowledges our true home is in heaven. It's a reminder to live with urgency, to share the gospel with others, and to strive for holiness in our daily walk. Imagine, for a moment, what the rapture might feel like. The air would be electric with anticipation, as believers around the world sense the presence of Jesus drawing near. The sound of trumpets would echo through the skies, growing louder with each passing moment. And then, in an instant, we'd be caught up, transformed, and transported to the very presence of God. As we stand on the brink of eternity, we're reminded that the rapture is not just an event, it's an experience. It's a moment of pure joy, of unbridled freedom, of finally being home. In this moment, we'd be surrounded by the saints of old, the heroes of the faith who have gone before us. We'd see the faces of loved ones who have passed away, and we'd be reunited with them in a way that's beyond our wildest imagination. The rapture is not just a promise for the future, it's a reality that shapes our present. It's a reminder that our time on this earth is short, and that our true citizenship is in heaven. In conclusion, the rapture is so much more than just an event, it's an experience, a mindset, and a promise that shapes our daily lives as believers. It's a reminder to live with urgency, to share the gospel with others, and to strive for holiness in our daily walk. If you're as passionate about the rapture as I am, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and testimonials in the comments below, and be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the mysteries of the end times.